Hey guys, it's Tristan. Today we are actually doing a taste test challenge with this tropical punch, fruit punch. I think I don't know what it's called. We're taste testing it today. I'm scared. This is gonna be awesome. Taste test. In 3, 2, 1. Out of 10, 1 out of 10, that was like a 5. It's not that good. Well, rating out of 5, 1 out of 10, this is actually 3. Not that good. Don't buy this. I need to do something water. Have you ever played this song on the piano? Don't try this at home. Putting it down because I don't really like it. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you get notified every time I make a new video like right now. Bye.